Welcome back to our weekly update. I'm Charlotte McLeod with the Investing News Network, and this is your quick look at the stories we've been covering that you need to hear about. Gold kept market participants happy this week as it continued to move up, rising as high as $18.90 per ounce. The yellow metal remains below its January high point of $19.50, but its upward momentum in May has been encouraging for investors. Speaking about gold's future prospects, Gareth Soloway of InTheMoneyStocks.com told me this past week that the precious metal is moving like it did in 2007 and 2008. He expects gold to move significantly in the next year or two and suggested a potential price target of $28.60. Gareth noted that while cryptocurrencies have taken some attention away from precious metals this year, ultimately he thinks they will benefit as young people get more interested in diversifying away from dollars. With gold in mind, we asked our Twitter followers this week when they think it may rise above 1900 again. The poll was ongoing at the time of this recording, but most respondents said they think it will happen this month. We'll be asking another question on Twitter next week, so make sure to follow us and share your thoughts. Looking at the wider precious metals space, I had the chance to speak with Nick Barisheff of BMG Group for an update on the silver price. Silver remains below $30 per ounce despite increased attention from retail purchasers eager to snap up physical metal. However, Nick pointed out that buyers are paying as much as $50 for an ounce of silver on sites like eBay and Amazon. In his opinion, that's a more realistic price for the metal right now. Nick, who's also the author of the book $10,000 Gold, believes market manipulation is one of the reasons that prices for silver as well as gold aren't higher at the moment. But, he said, any kind of market manipulation ultimately always fails in the end. We're going to close out this week with the psychedelics sector, which continues to grow and attract attention from investors. INN had the chance to speak with Steve Hawkins of Horizons ETFs, whose company launched the first psychedelics-focused ETF at the beginning of this year. Steve gave a recap of how the fund has performed since its debut, saying that it's experienced some volatility. While he remains optimistic about the future of psychedelics, he pointed out that as a new industry it's bound to have ups and downs and can still be moved fairly easily by individual announcements. For example, news of Mind Medicine's recent NASDAQ uplisting recently gave the space some momentum. That's all for this week. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates and interviews. You can also follow us on social media or click below for our free report or any article mentioned in this video. See you next time.